Hi everyone, this is Kelly and welcome to another tutorial with Wilkes University. Today I wanted to show you where to find your Wilkes University bookstore. So I always suggest first finding your course schedule so you can jot down the names of the courses, including the code. In order to find that, first you want to go ahead and log into the Wilkes portal and you'll want to go ahead and click on the student option here, Student Services. And if you scroll down, under My Registration, View Your Schedule Detail format. That's where you would go to find your student schedule so you can jot down the names of the courses that you're taking, including the code. In order to find the bookstore in the portal, you want to go ahead and you want to select Home. If you look under Quick Links, you see Launchpad, Quick Links. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down until you get to Student Links. And underneath Student Links, you're going to see Bookstore. Go ahead and select Bookstore. Here you'll see that you can purchase besides just books. We also have apparel. We also have other Wilkes University branded items if you're looking for any gifts or would like to buy yourself something. But in order to find your books, you're going to want to select underneath the course materials and textbooks option, Find Course Materials. Here, you'll see it'll ask you for the term. And why don't we go ahead and select the term right now? That way I can show you exactly what it's going to look like when the books are added into the cart. So here, select the term, department would be nursing, and the abbreviation is NSG. And unfortunately, you really can't type in these boxes. They are all drop-down options only. And here, you're going to want to select the code. That's why it was important to make sure you had that information ahead of time, just so this way you have all of that handy. It does not matter which section you choose because all of the course materials, regardless of what section, if it's the same course number, every course should be using the same materials per term. So every single course or every single 502 section should be using the same course materials for spring of 2023. So go ahead and select that and retrieve materials. Oh, they have a clearance going on. It might just take a minute just to populate the books that you may need for that particular course. And here, you're going to see that all of the books and materials that you're going to need for that particular course are automatically populated here. Makes your life so much easier. That way you don't have to worry about accidentally purchasing the wrong book or not purchasing enough books. Here you can see there's different options as well that we try to offer. There's the new version, the used, rental, there's the digital. So there's a bunch of different options that you can choose. So of course, those options kind of depend on the edition in the book. If it's a newer book, you may have a used option and a new option. It kind of depends, but we try to make sure that there are different options to help kind of fit everybody's budget. Once you've made your selections, you go ahead and you just add those to the cart. Just going to select this just to kind of show you what that's going to look like. You can see it's already in your cart. If you want to get rid of it, remove from cart, and then your little cart should be up here. In here, you can see the book is now ready to be purchased at checkout. Thank you so much for taking the time today to review this tutorial on navigating the bookstore. Thanks much. And again, if you need anything at all, let us know.